Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Realty. Today I'm out in Cambridge Crossing in Celina to check on this Highland Home build job. So they have almost completed the frame process. They did get the shingles wrong that are currently on the roof, but they're going to replace those and make it right. Love Highland for that. They also kind of made a mess up on the garage, but again, Highland has already taken care of it. So without further ado, let's flip this around and take a walk. Okay guys, so we have a really beautiful double door entry. And then as we come in, nice tall ceilings. Off to the left here is one bedroom. So it has an ensuite bath, which is right in here. And then there is a closet, but it's in the bathroom. So it's like a nice little second master over here. So if you ever have a hard time understanding what the dimensions of the room are or where it is, just follow the frame on the floor. But yeah, this looks great. So this is going to be a single sink vanity. And really great sized room here. As we come back out, we've got two more bedrooms and a bathroom over here. So here's a full bath. It's going to be separated. You have double sinks right here and then another door into where the shower and tub and all of that is. Okay, then over here we have bedroom number 2. So this is a really large bedroom, and this floor plan actually has the ability to cut off this portion and make it another room if you wanted another bedroom or like a game room area. But really large room, great for kids to have their own little separate play area. And then here's the last bedroom. This is huge. These are huge bedrooms, guys. Really nice. And then an amazing huge walk-in closet as well. Yeah, I forgot to show you the closet in the other room. Sorry, I got so excited by the size of the room. Okay, so this is the doorway in. So as you come in, the closet is right here to the right. Another ginormous closet. And then the big room. Very cool. And we're going to come back out. Before we get into the heart of the home, we have yet another hallway to go down. I love all the little extras this house has. Okay, so we've got a laundry room, really nice big laundry room in here. Washer and dryer will go on this wall, and then they'll have a sink on this wall. And then this is where the 3-car tandem garage is. So this is what I was pointing out before. In this plan, originally, this is 2 separate garage doors. But my guys wanted to do one garage door. So they had to reframe it, and that's why this part is not completely finished being framed. But they're fixing it, which is what we like to see. And also, while we're walking through here, you can see they've completed this plumbing. This is all part of the plumbing rough, and then they're starting the electrical wiring as well. So all these little blue boxes that we're seeing here, these are electrical outlets here and light switches. The gray boxes are light switches. So looks really great. And then we have a nice large coat closet right here, and then we come into the huge heart of the home, right? So this is the living room right here, and big, beautiful windows, lots of natural light, opens up into the kitchen and the eat-in kitchen. And I love this archway here, guys. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be phenomenal. So you'll have cabinets all along, uppers and lowers, obviously, right? All the way across. And then a giant island. Nice little corner pantry. Sink and dishwasher will be in the island. This plan actually originally had it against the wall looking out. So my clients are super smart and they're like, I don't want that. I want it in my island. Very good call, guys. Love that. And then before we check out the patio, let's go back over here. We have an office right off of the living room. Like the rooms in this house, every single room is very nicely appointed. They're large. And then back in this corner, we have another closet back here and the master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom has been bumped out. If they didn't select that option, this would have come straight across here. That looks really great. Oh my gosh, tall ceilings, lots of light. And then the master bath. Good deal. So you have a little linen closet immediately as you come in on the left. On the right, you'll have sinks. So one sink, they're separate, that's nice. One vanity there. The other vanity is straight across right there. And then you'll have your tub in the middle. And then the shower is here. That's a step down shower. And then the water closet is in here. And then the master closet. Huge. Love it. That's so cool. One thing I wanted to point out, guys, this is, I'm looking at the back of it right now, but this is the water shutoff for the whole house, and it's located in your garage. So on the other side of this, you'll be able to open this panel right here is a door, right? So it opens, you'll be able to open it, shut the water off, or put it back on, whatever you need to do. It's pretty cool. You don't have to go outside to have to do any of that or chase it down the street or whatever. Very nice. And looks like they've got a lot of the electrical rough out done as well, like all these wires that have been run. So that's the electrical, the mechanicals, that's all high and low voltage. So light switches and then any like surround sound or security would also be done. And then they've also got your HVAC. Looks like most of that has been run. So yeah, this looks really great. Holy cow, they've made a lot of progress. And then of course, as you can tell too, as we've been walking through, they've got the windows up. These are not the right windows, I don't believe. So I don't know, there was a mix up with the windows. So I don't know if these are the right ones or the wrong ones, but Highland is really great about fixing whatever they need to do. So, and then the massive patio, huge patio. And then this is on one of the 70-foot lots out in Cambridge Crossing. So that looks really great. Okay, y'all, that wraps up the tour this week. A lot has happened. That's really exciting. I know that we ran into some weather delays and whatnot, but they've made a lot of progress, so this is really good. I know that they did say they're going to be working on those shingles this coming week, and the weather is going to cooperate, so hopefully that'll be done by the end of the week. Other than that, it's looking great. You know how to get a hold of me if you need me. For those of you who are watching for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with LivingWell Realty, and I would love to be able to help you with your new construction home. Give me a call, text, email, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment with me via the link below. And until next time, y'all, take care.